Hello everyone, welcome back to FixEdge. In today's quick video, I will show you how to turn on battery saver mode in Windows 11. It will help your laptop last longer when you are on the go. So without further delay, let's dive in. On the taskbar, go to your battery options. Right click on that, click on power and sleep settings. It will directly open the settings window to change the battery saver mode. In that window, look for energy saver and select that one. And there were two options. Always use energy saver or turn on energy saver only when battery level is low. If we turn on always use energy saver, this option will not be visible. Like system will run always on battery saver mode. So turn it off and turn energy saver on automatically when battery level is at certain percentage. When your battery drops to a certain percentage, the system will turns to battery saver mode. Energy saver or battery saver are same, so it will turn to battery saver mode. You can select what is the percentage of your battery to reach. At that time, the battery saver mode will turn on. And when your battery will reach to 40%, the system will turn to battery saver mode and it will lower the screen brightness when the battery saver mode is on. If you don't want to lower the screen brightness when battery saver mode is on, you can just turn it off. While you are here, you can also check which apps are draining the most power under this battery usage. Click on this. Here 22 apps are found. You can check see which one is using the your most of the battery according to this battery usage. And that's it. Now you know how to stretch your battery life in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel for more quick videos. Thank you for watching.